Everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2022-23 Panini Prizm Basketball Hobby 4-box break number 89. Pick your team. We have C. Lu, Hawks, C. Zhang, Suns, Colby C., Hornets, Grizzlies, Eric W., Pistons, Rockets, Blazers, Pacers, Felix N., Nets, Jazz, and Spurs, Gavin K., Kings, Inku K., Heat, James L., Pelicans, Jerry F., Sixers, John C., Celtics, Jonathan A., Mavericks, June H., Wizards, Costa K., Raptors, Kurt D., Lakers, Marcy S., Bulls, and Knicks, My Z., Thunder, Noah B., Magic, Paul G., Nuggets, Clippers, Takaki M., T-Wolves, Thomas C., Warriors, Tim V., Cavs, and Timothy F., Bucks. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's see some big hits here. Luka, Prismatic, Talen Horton-Tucker, Silver, Josh Minot, or Minot, and Kenneth Lofton. Kevin Love, Red, that is to 299, and Lakers. Silver, Sensational Signatures, Austin Reeves. We go Lakers. Jaden Hardy, Rookie Prizm Refractor. Nice one, Mavericks. And Chet Holmgren, Rookie. Ousmane Dieng. Luka, Fearless. Jalen Duren, Luck of the Lottery. Bryce McGowan's Rookie Silver. Shayon Sharp, Rookie. Gary Trent Jr., Red Wave. Lillard, and Pistol Pete. Pulsar, the Jazz. Benedict Mathurin, Caleb Houston. Here's a Mojo coming. That is DeAndre Hunter Mojo. Hawks, 25, right? Yep, 15 of 25. You go Atlanta. Cade Cunningham, Fireworks. Garrison Matthews, Silver. Jabari Smith Jr., and Ty. Poku. John Stockton, Red Wave. Jeremy Sohan. Ousmane Dieng, Rookie Prizm Refractor. Or not Prizm Refractor, Hyper Prizm Refractor is another manufacturer. Jaden Ivey, Rookie. Zion. If this were Topps Chrome, I would have been spot on. Yeah. Miles Turner, Red Wave. Joel Embiid. James Harden, Silver. Sixers. Max Christie. Andrew Nembhard. And EJ Liddell. Luka, Fearless. Tyler Herro. Pulsar. Vince Williams. Saw Laker Shack there. That's my thumbnail today. LaMelo, Prismatic, Silver, and non-silver. Blake Wesley, Rookie Silver. Jaden Hardy, Rookie. And Dalen Terry. Come on, let's see a big hit. Red, Corey Kispert. LeBron, Fearless. Jalen Smith. Hyper. and Marjan Beauchamp. Looking for our second auto. I think it might be in this one. It's Kawhi Leonard. Purple /99. Bradley Beal and DeJounte Murray, silver. Oh, Jalen Duren, rookie. This is Bogdan Bogdanović. Purple Ice. That is /149. And Hawks. Rookie auto, Tyrese Martin. Go Hawks. Seth Curry. Hyper. Ojai Agbaji. Rookie. And Kendall Brown. All right. Let's get the next one filled up. We have Nets, Bulls, T-Wolves, Sixers, Spurs, Jazz. 6 to go in the next break. John Morant. This is Chris Mullin, Purple Ice. And nice. Pistons. Sensational Signatures. Rookie auto, Jalen Duren. There you go, Detroit. Sadiq Bey. Pulsar. Caleb Houstan. And Shadon Sharp. Trae Young. Silver Fireworks. Joker, Josh Richardson, silver. Benedict Mathurin, rookie.
Around the same bad base.
Oh,
yeah, I'll just pull the rookies to the side.
All right. I'll separate them from here on.
Yeah, you're good.
Jarrett Allen, Red Wave. Manu Ginobili. Trevor Keels, rookie Hyper. Kendall Brown and Jalen Duren, rookie. That is orange, Valanciunas. It's /49. It's here. Anthony Edwards, Bradley Beal, silver. Jaden Ivey, rookie. We have Nets, Bulls, T-Wolves, Sixers, Spurs, and Jazz. 6 teams left on the next break. Let's get that filled. Tyus Jones, Red Wave. Steph and Isaiah Roby, Pulsar. Trevor Keels and Tyrese Martin. Zach LaVine. Jay McDaniels, silver. Jake LaRavia, rookie. Donovan Mitchell, Jalen Suggs, Hyper, Marjan Beauchamp, and Jaden Hardy. Gary Payton. Luck of the Lottery, Jaden Ivey, silver insert. Go Pistons. KD, Vince Williams, rookie silver. Ty Washington, rookie. Harrison Barnes, blue. Kyrie, insert, and Dirk. Hyper. Jabari Smith Jr., rookie. Nice. Rookie /75. That is red. Is that Red Power? Benedict Mathurin.
Nice.
Congrats, Pacers. We'll mag that for you, Indy. Darius Garland, Russell Westbrook, EJ Liddell, and Ochai Agbaji, rookie. There's Kevin Garnett, red. And Bulls. Auto, Eddie Curry. Malik Beasley, hyper. Max Christie and Andrew Nembhard. Kelly Oubre Jr., red wave, and Chris Paul, red wave. Jason Tatum, Jalen Brunson, silver, Dalen Terry, and Vince Williams. All right. I guess it didn't do much good for me to do that until I guess I should have passed over everything that needed to be gone through.
I'll just pull them out.
I think the top half should be good, and then this half, but
yeah, I'll still let that go.
And this one's sort of back. This one's not. Whoa. Sorry. All right, box number 3. Let's fill up for box number 90. We have 5 to go. Nets, Bulls, T-Wolves, Sixers, and Jazz. 5 to go. Denny Avdija. Is it Avdija or Avdija?
I think it's Avdija.
Avdija?
Yeah.
Purple Ice. Lakers auto, Rick Fox. Christian Wood. Hyper. Jabari Walker, rookie. RJ Hampton, red wave. Zion Fearless, Jalen Brunson, silver. Christian Coloco and Christian Brown, rookie. Trae Young, Fireworks. Gary Trent Jr., Pulsar. Walker Kessler, rookie. Dennis Rodman. And Paolo Banchero, rookie. Zach LaVine, Damian Lillard. Tony Parker, silver. Kenneth Lofton Jr., red. Luka, Mavericks, it's to 299. LeBron widescreen. Benedict Mathurin, rookie hyper prism. Pacers, Ousmane Dieng, and Josh Minot. Is it Minot?
I think it's Minot.
Minot.
Could be Minot though. I could be wrong. He's a new rookie.
If you did a mashup, it could be Ty Minot. Dalen Terry, rookie purple, 99. Shadon Sharp, luck of the lottery. Tim Hardaway Jr., silver. Wendell Moore Jr. and Kennedy Chandler. Tim Duncan, red wave. Zion widescreen. Ochai Agbaji, rookie. Hyper Prism, Jazz. Jalen Williams, rookie. And Jeremy Sohan, rookie. Steph Curry, Prismatic. Joel Embiid, silver. Scottie Pippen Jr. What's your favorite basketball movie you've ever watched?
Movie?
Mm-hmm.
I think the one's Like Mike. I think that's what it's called.
James Harden, red. And Spurs, sensational signatures. Rookie auto, Jeremy Sohan. You go Spurs. One of the later teams taken. Kevin Garnett, Pulsar. Nikola Jovic, rookie. Giannis Prismatic, Kawhi. Mark Williams, rookie, silver. Bryce McGowans and Dominique. KT, Red Wave, Shaq Fearless, Jordan Clarkson, Hyper, AJ Griffin, Franz Wagner, and Christian Coloco, Rookie Red Power. Raptors, that is to 75. Evan Mobley, Davion Mitchell, Silver, Isaiah Mobley, and Dyson Daniels. Let me just go here. This is sweet. Yeah, that should be the bottom. All right, last box of this break. We have 2 more of these 4 boxers. Just the Bulls and Sixers left in the next break. Here's a link. Oh, they're finalizing the deal.
Finally. I'm talking about it all day.
Aaron Nesmith, Red Wave, Jalen Williams, Luck of the Lottery, Marvin Bagley, Silver, Peyton Watson, Zion Fireworks, Walker Kessler, that's Rookie Pulsar, Jazz, Wendell Moore Jr., and Kennedy Chandler. Just to let you know how many I missed out of the stack.
I got you.
Widescreen, Silver, Ja Morant. Ja Morant, Prismatic, and Kennedy Chandler, Rookie Silver. Grizzlies pack there. Jalen Williams, Rookie, and Jeremy Sohan. It's Josh Hart, Red, Anthony Edwards, Fearless, Nikola Jokic, Hyper, Scottie Pippen. Oh, okay. Still one too many. This is Blue Ice, Desmond Bane. It's a 125. LaMelo, Max Strus, Silver. Nikola Jovic, Rookie. Red Wave, Chris Mullen, Anthony Davis, Patrick Beverly, Hyper, Blake Wesley, and Bryce McGowan's. Tatum, Prismatic, Chris Boucher.
I think Boucher.
Is it Boucher, like Bobby Boucher?
Yeah, like Bobby Boucher.
It's David Roddy and Patrick Baldwin. So we just have the Bulls and Sixers left on the next break. Desmond Bane, Red, and Jazz, Sensational Signatures, Rookie Auto, Johnny Juzang, Johnny Juzang. There he is, Basley, Hyper, damn. Keegan Murray, Rookie. LaMelo, Fireworks, Silver. Damian Lillard, Peyton Watson, Rookie, Silver. Malachi Branham, Rookie. Dwight Powell, Julius Randle, Red Wave. LeBron James, Widescreen. Luka, Hyper. And Tari Eason, Rookie. That is Orange Wave to 60, Davion Mitchell. Prismatic LeBron, Jason Preston, Silver. Usa Diabate. This is Denny Avdia, blue, and Raptors. Rookie auto, Ron Harper Jr. Mark Williams, rookie hyper. Johnny Davis rookie, and Jalen Williams rookie on the back. All right. Just a second here and we'll do a recap. Let me take a look at our remaining spots for the day. So still 2 left in Prizm number 90, 7 in number 91, and then 9 and 19 in contenders. Here's a link for that first Prizm, number 90. All right. We had a Mojo to 25, DeAndre Hunter. Our autos, Raptors rookie, Ron Harper Jr., Jazz rookie, Johnny Juzang, Spurs rookie, Jeremy Sohan, Lakers, Rick Fox, Bulls, Eddie Curry, Hawks rookie, Tyrese Martin, Pistons rookie, Jalen Duren, Lakers silver, Austin Reeves, and then we had Pacers with a rookie red power to 75, Benedict Mathurin. 9 of 75. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. We have 4 box number 90 up next.